right. Look how big this bag of Doritos is. I love Doritos. Yum. I'm gonna open the bag. It's such a lot of Doritos. Doritos, yeah. It's gonna be so full. What the heck? What the heck, man? Look at all the air. Look at that. Look at all the air in the Doritos. I can't believe it. Nacho cheese, and that's how big the bag is. It's that big. It's only that big, man. Look. It's gonna trick me with air. Look. That's all the Doritos that's in this big bag, man. What the heck? What's going on? That's it? That's all the Doritos I get for that? Alright, man, that's it. I knew it. Do you understand? Still like Doritos, though. Delicious!